Here's what you'll need for my leftover chicken curry. Some garlic, fresh ginger, chicken stock, leftover chicken from your Sunday roast or turkey from your Christmas or Thanksgiving dinner, an onion, stick of celery, tin of chopped tomatoes, some coconut milk, some optional fresh coriander, and then you can either throw in all these herbs and spices or make your own curry powder like I have done in another video, and then you just need the curry powder. First thing we're going to do, put a dash of oil and a knob of butter into a pan, and then chop up your celery and onion, and they're going in there for 5 minutes just to soften down a bit. Once they've had a few minutes to soften down, time to crush up your garlic and ginger, and then in that goes for a minute or two just to cook that through. When your garlic and ginger have had a minute, time to go in with 2 heaped tablespoons of your homemade curry powder, or if you're cheating, shop bought curry powder, and then give that a stir around. It'll dry up the pan, but heat it through for a minute and it'll release them oils and aroma from your spices. When your spices have had a minute to release their flavours, time to get the tomato juice out of your tomatoes. Give that a quick stir around and you'll find it gets everything from the bottom of the pan that was sticking because of the curry powder, and into there some cracked black pepper and some salt, and then if you're anything like me, just pick out the skin and bad bits from your tomatoes and give them a good chop. With your tomatoes chopped, in they go, followed by your coconut milk, finally chicken stock, and we're going to simmer that away for 15 minutes just to make sure everything's cooked through. When it's been simmering away, we're finally going to add chopped coriander, stalks and all, into there. Keep some coriander back for decoration, and then either turn it off the heat and allow it to cool down and put it into a blender, or get a hand blender and get it done immediately. With everything blended, time to go in with your cooked chicken. Now we're going to gently simmer that away until this sauce thickens, because it's still a bit watery as you can see. And this is a very basic, just to use up your leftover chicken, beef, lamb, whatever you want. But you can on the side cook peppers, mushrooms, anything, any veg you like, cook them on the side and put them in with your cooked chicken as well. But this is just the basic to show you. When it's been simmering away and reducing down, turn it off the heat, bearing in mind that it will thicken up even more after you've turned it off the heat. So leave it 5 or 10 minutes just to cool down, and then get your favourite flatbread, pop it into a bowl, and get stuck into a delicious chicken curry.